Happy New Year, everyone! As we step into this exciting new chapter, it's the perfect time to renew our commitment to financial growth. This year, let's make consistent stock investing a cornerstone of our strategy, building a stronger future together. Think of each investment as planting a seed for your future prosperity. Regular contributions, no matter how small, build significant wealth over time through the magic of compounding. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The best time to invest is always now, and then consistently. Successful investing isn't about chasing quick wins or reacting to every market fluctuation. It's about a disciplined, long-term approach focused on growth. Focus on quality companies and diversify your holdings wisely. Let compounding be your greatest ally throughout the year. This year, let's commit to being active participants in our financial journey. Educate yourself, stay informed, and make thoughtful decisions based on your goals. Your future self will undoubtedly thank you for the dedication you showed today. Let's make this year one of smart choices and steady progress in our portfolios. Here's to a prosperous year ahead, filled with informed decisions and growing assets. Happy investing, and let's make every month count towards our financial aspirations.